hydraulic breaker may look perfect. Strong steel, precision piston, solid power. But what if I told you that even one invisible hole inside could decide whether it hits like thunder or just whispers? Welcome to the Beilite factory floor. This is where true power begins its journey. We are now in the deep hole drilling station, the step that defines hydraulic efficiency itself. These are not just holes, they are arteries of pressure hidden inside every Beilite breaker, guiding oil straight to the piston's heart. The process? It's not done in one pass. We drill twice, once to open the path and again to perfect it, because even the slightest deviation, just fractions of a millimeter, can cause turbulence, pressure loss, and wasted power. So we take it slow, each line, each depth, measured, checked, confirmed, until every drop of hydraulic energy flows exactly where it should, forward, with full force. We've built the arteries, the lifelines of power, but how do we prove they're perfect? In our next and final episode, we take this hammer to the court of quality, the CMM Inspection Room, where every dimension is judged by microns. Subscribe and witness the verdict.